Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll make one of traditional dish of Odisha, that is risgad bada. Traditionally in Odisha they use pumpkin flowers for this recipe, but whenever pumpkin flowers are not available, people use risgad instead of pumpkin flowers. Today I am going to use both risgad and zucchini for this recipe. Zucchini also gives the same taste as risgad. So let's see how to make it. First of all, I'll take half cup of white rice with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and I'm going to soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, we'll make a paste of this rice and cumin seeds with 2 pods of garlic. If you like the taste of garlic, definitely add, but if you don't like, you can skip garlic. And you can also grind some green chili or red chili, but I am going to add red chili powder. So we'll grind all of these and make a fine paste, then take it out into a mixing bowl. Now I'll take a risgad, I'll wash it with a vegetable brush. We'll wash it nicely because we are not going to peel out fully. We'll just take out the ris part of it. So wash it nicely so that it's clean. And it's better if you have a vegetable brush, wash it with vegetable brush. And now I have cut the risgad, and the risgad I have taken out only the ris part, you can see it. Here I am going to take half of a zucchini. If you want, you can take only zucchini, only risgad, or both of them. And cut it into small pieces. I also cut the risgad in the same size. Mix it with risgad, and also I am going to take half of a medium size onion and I'm going to chop it. And when you made the rice paste, don't add too much of water to your rice while grinding, because after adding all zucchini, risgad, onion, we'll add little bit salt and we'll leave it for 10-15 minutes, and it is going to leave lots of water. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of chili powder. If you have grinded chili, then don't add chili powder. 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric. Just mix it nicely. Do not add water here because after adding salt, zucchini and risgad will leave lots of water. So just mix it nicely and leave it for 10-15 minutes. You can see after 10-15 minutes it is perfect to make bada, but at this time if you feel you need some more water in it, you can add 1/4 cup of water. So now heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and we will make our bada. We are going to shallow fry this bada, we will not deep fry this. So now we'll put the mix on the pan. Just flatten it little bit, like the way you make dosa. This is like you are making small dosas. I'm going to put almost 4 or 5 at a time, and after frying one side for 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat, or you can increase your heat little bit above than medium, and after frying 5 to 7 minutes I'll flip the bada to the other side and I'll fry both sides till it's golden brown. You can make this bada with squash blossom or zucchini blossom. If you are taking squash blossom or zucchini blossom, just cut the blossom from the stem so that the stamen is out. Stamen is the part which contains all the pollen inside the flower. If you see the flower, there will be a small yellow part inside the flower which is covered with pollen. That is called stamen, and you can take out that part from the stem. and then wash the flowers, and then dip those flowers with the rice paste we prepared, and after that fry like I'm frying the risgad bada. That taste is totally awesome, but if you don't find that, you can replace it with zucchini or risgad. So now you can see my bada is nicely fried and golden brown from both the side. Now I'm going to serve it. You can serve it as a starter or as a side dish with rice, or you can also serve it in breakfast. Today I am going to serve it with rice and eggplant curry. This is another traditional recipe of Odisha. Curry is totally different taste in Odisha. So I'll show eggplant curry also. Check that recipe and make your zucchini or risgad bada. Let me know how it came out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get new recipes every week.